My name is Harish Krishnamurthy. I'm an assistant professor in the EC department of University of Houston. I'm originally from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala in India. I grew up until my high school there, and then I went to my undergraduate degree in National Institute of Technology in Trichy in India. After my undergraduate degree, I worked for GE Energy in Hyderabad, that too in India. And after a couple of years after that, I thought I should probably get a doctorate degree and moved on to the US. I came over to Texas A&M, College Station for computer engineering PhD degree, and thankfully I got a direct PhD degree, so I was able to complete within four and a half years. So our lab is a part of the PEMSEC Center. So that's for power electronics, microgrids, and subsea electrical systems. We perform research on very high frequency power conversion. So one of the examples will be like, you can see how some of the phone chargers and laptop chargers are shrinking their size. So one of the reasons why they have been able to do that is with better semiconductor technology, and then the power electronics becoming more and more efficient. We have been traditionally very hardware-dominated field, but now with the advent of AI and software engineering, we are now able to try and bridge some of these aspects and then develop technologies that can be people can say wow. So one of the goals of our lab primarily are how can we develop more efficient and more reliable power converters. So taking cutting edge technology in the fields of machine learning and reliability and so forth. So how can we bring in some of those elements into our research in power electronics, which traditionally had been heavily hardware focused. So how can we combine those and develop technologies for the future which are very efficient and reliable. So these are the main goals. All the others are probably revolving around these. My intention always has been to bring in elements from the industry and then combine it with research. And I'm a firm believer that without any industry focus, at least like 10 years, 15 years from now, the research is not going to be that fruitful. So my personal goal has always been to work with the industry and then understand their challenges, and then because there are so many challenges in the world where we don't just have to do research for the sake of just doing research or just graduating PhD students. So in my goal, I want to make sure people use the technology that we develop in our lab, and so far things have been pretty promising. My name is Harish Sarma Krishnamoorthy, and I am an electrical engineer.